back to the Triangle Nursery Flower channel. Now with Christmas just around the corner, we know many of you have questions about wreath making. In today's frequently asked questions video, we'll be answering one of the most commonly asked questions. What is the difference between a flat and a raised wreath frame? Now let's start by explaining what each type of frame is. So we have the flat wreath frame, and it's, I guess, kind of exactly as it sounds, it's flat. So these frames are typically made of wire and they lie flat on the surface, so they're perfect for creating wreaths that will be hung flush against a wall or a door, and they create a more streamlined appearance. Flat frames are also great if you're creating a centrepiece because they provide a stable and level base. And that's our flat. On the other hand, our raised wreath frame, so if I hold it that way, you can see it's almost like a double ring frame, and sometimes it's called a double ring or a ring with a stand. It has a three-dimensional structure, and the frame is designed with a slight elevation, creating a more pronounced, fuller look to your wreath. So raised frames are ideal if you want your wreath to have more depth and volume and make it stand out more prominently. Now let's talk about the benefits of each type of frame. So let's go back again to the flat frame. So they're very versatile and easy to work with, especially if you're new to wreath making. They require less material to cover, making them a more economical choice. And flat frames are also lightweight and easier to hang. Now let's move on to its brother, the raised frame. These, however, provide a more robust and eye-catching design. The three-dimensional shape actually allows for more creativity. So with your layering and adding different items and products like cones, ornaments, ribbons. So if you're looking to make a statement with your wreath, a raised frame, in my opinion, is the way to go. So which frame should you use? So it ultimately depends on the look you're going for and where you plan to display your wreath. For a classic, elegant look that's easy to hang on a door or wall, a flat frame is perfect. If you want a bold, lush wreath that stands out, go for a raised frame. Now before I go, one handy tip before creating your wreath is to add a base using your chosen binding medium for the moss to sit on. This makes creating the wreath much easier and stops the moss from falling through, especially if you're creating more than one. So that's done really easily by anchoring your chosen binding medium and then basically binding that medium around the ring. So you need to repeat that all the way around and then just finish it off when you get to the end. So you can appreciate that then it's got a nice bed for the moss to sit on and it's not going to fall through like it would there. So that's it for today's frequently asked question. We hope this helps you decide which wreath frame is right for your Christmas decorations. Now if you have any more questions or need any further information or assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us directly and we'll be delighted to help. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from the Triangle Nursery Flower channel. Happy wreath making!